Hey everyone! A lot of you have been asking me lately, what camera do you use to film your vlogs, your rides, and those 360 transitions? Well, the secret's out. It's the brand new Insta360 X5, and I've been using it for the past couple of weeks while cycling, biking, and even for casual vlogging. If you're in the market for the best action camera in 2025, stick around. This one might just blow your mind. Let's start with how I used it. I took the X5 on a 40-mile bike ride through some hilly terrain, and the 360-degree stabilization, absolutely next level. No gimbal, no post-stabilization, it just works. Even with rough road vibration, my footage came out buttery smooth. Then I mounted it on my motorcycle helmet, and the wind, the noise, the speed, it handled it like a champ. I didn't lose any audio clarity, and the wind reduction is genuinely impressive. And for vlogging, the new AI noise reduction and dual 1/1.28-inch sensors mean I can record crisp video even in low light, perfect for walk and talk vlogs or capturing sunsets. What really sets the X5 apart is its 8K 360-degree video capture. You can frame your shots after you film. Spin, zoom, track. It's like having a full camera crew with you. The new removable lenses are a game changer, not just for durability, but it also means future upgrade options. Plus the camera's waterproof up to 49 feet out of the box. No case needed. Battery life? I got close to 3 hours on a single charge while vlogging on and off all day. That's rare for a camera this powerful. So, is the Insta360 X5 the top action camera of 2025? Honestly, yes. For creators, adventurers, and everyday users, this thing covers all the bases. It's compact, powerful, and smart. There is a learning curve if you're new to 360 cameras, but Insta360's mobile app makes it pretty beginner-friendly. Plus their AI editing tools help you create amazing videos with just a few taps. If you're thinking of picking one up, I've got you covered. I've linked the best deal I found on Amazon down in the description. That's my affiliate link. So using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And honestly, it's the best price you'll find anywhere right now. So whether you're biking, vlogging, or just capturing memories, the Insta360 X5 is seriously worth a look. Drop a like, subscribe if you love gear reviews, and let me know in the comments what camera you'd like me to test next.